Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at this is the Dor O Matic Rebuilt 300 series. This is specifically a 303 variant where we're going to have a 90-degree non-hold open floor closer. This is going to be a non-handed, center-hung, double-acting, 90-degree non-hold open. Weighs 22.05 pounds, and this is what a rebuilt looks like. Now, there are two programs, repair and exchange. This is regardless of which you choose, you're going to end up crossing paths with something that looks just like this. This video will attest to the quality of something that's gone through the repair shop, what it looks like. Okay. There are markings on the face of the closer. In addition to that, markings that came from the factory and those that did not. Markings that will help us identify, keeping track of any way that it has crossed our path. Okay. It's heavy. I'm going to give you some dimensional properties. Overall length of the top of the body is 14 3/16. 14 3/16. The width of the body now, 5 1/16. 5 1/16 this dimension. Its height, and it's just too heavy to hold up to the camera and do this with. 3 3/8 or 3 5/16 would be the overall height. That's what the spindle looks like. Projection from the top of the case, an inch and a half. From the top of the case to the top of the spindle, 1.5 inches. And we like to archive the dimensional properties of the item because why? Well, it's going to help you determine if this is your item. Width of the spindle, 0.405. 0.405. Right between my fingers at the top. 0.405. Overall width of the spindle, this dimension, and it's a bit radiused, but .995. 0.995. This dimension, 0.995. Okay. One more dimension, from the edge of the case to the center of the spindle. Let's take that. I'd say to be 2 1/8 inch. 2 1/8. Below this video, again, we detail the repair or exchange service. If you have any questions in particular about how we go about accommodating those requests, feel free to reach out to us, but that data is covered exhaustingly there as well. But this video will show you what a rebuilt 300-303 variant looks like. Any questions on the repair or exchange service for not only Dor O Matic closers, but any surface, overhead concealed, floor closers, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you very much.